Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome and I hope you stick around. Today I'm going to be showing you this easy 10-minute makeup look. This is the kind of look that I do when I don't want to spend too much time doing my makeup, but I still want to look put together. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face. I'm going to be using the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen. Now I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. When I do this kind of makeup look, I like doing my brows, but I like to keep them a little bit more natural. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Brow Obsessive Brow Shaping Gel in the shade Brown. Next, I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer in the shade Fair 15W. Even though with this kind of makeup look, I like to keep my eyebrows a little bit more natural, I still like them to look a little bit more defined. Alright, so I finished cleaning up my eyebrows with the concealer, and I also use the same concealer for the top of my eyebrows. Usually when I'm going to put on foundation, I do not use the concealer. I use the foundation that I'm going to be using that day. But with this makeup look, I don't use foundation. So I just went in with the concealer and blended it out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush in the shade Happy. Next, I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer in the shade Enchant. Now I'm going to go in with the same concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows. Usually when I blend out concealer under my eyes, I blend it up to my eyelids. But this is not going to be the case for this kind of makeup look. I'm going to focus it just under my eyes. Next, I'm going to be setting my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Rose and Play. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Dream About Me. Now that I finished with all of my powder products, I'm going to go in with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Now if you'd like, you can just add some gloss and you could be done with this look. But for today, I'm going to be putting on mascara. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume Waterproof Mega Mascara. Now the last thing I need to do are my lips. I'm going to go in with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. Now on top of that, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite lip products. I'm going to be using the Wizard of Oz x Kylie Cosmetics Transformative Lip Tint in the shade Emerald City. Alright guys, that's it for this makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get a notification every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!